Hi, I'm Slin, an indigenous rapper from Norway. I have over 20 years of experience when it comes to making music and writing songs, and today I want to share with you some tips and tricks when it comes to making a song. In my previous video, I gave you tips on how to start writing lyrics. In this video, we will focus on how to find melodies. Tip number 1, jamming.
Not if we jam it.
Yeah. Now, if you have the skills to play any kind of instrument, just start jamming and record what you do, because all of a sudden you play something that you feel captured the lyric perfectly, but you forgot it. No worries, now you have a recording of it and you can listen to it and then fine-tune it. If you don't know how to play any instruments, there are other ways you can do this. One is to just sing a melody and record it, show it to someone who knows how to play a guitar or something, or you can buy a DAW, digital audio workstation software, that provides you with the option to program your melodies in the form of MIDI, where you basically draw melodies on a digital piano. So no worries, I don't know notes and I play by ear myself. If it sounds good, keep it. Don't worry if it's not proper. Tip number 2, YouTube it. Yeah, you can always go on YouTube and search for whatever type of sound you would like. For instance, you want the song to be a guitar only song. Search for guitar instrumentals, right? Use these instrumentals to build your melody, and if it feels really good to sing on chosen instrumental, check to see if you can buy that beat or instrumental from the creator and make your song on it. Tip number 3, don't overthink it. Sometimes I find myself overthinking the melody of a song. This is too simple, I need to add more. Then I start adding and adding and adding until I feel like starting over because it's overwhelming now. Just keep it simple, stupid. It's the best advice I can give there, at least when just starting out. There is no need to reinvent the wheel because the listener will relate more to your story and the personality you bring to the song rather than some overproduced piece of music. Tip number 4, workshop it. What I mean by this is, once you've made a melody to your song and you've got the basics in place, show it to friends or family. I find the best people to show my music to is kids or old people because they are not afraid of telling it like it is, right? Friends and family may lie just to be supportive. But remember, even if you get an honest opinion and it's not good, it doesn't mean the song is bad. It just means you may have to rework some stuff or take that criticism and work with it, right? Constructive criticism, I guess it's called. But of course, ultimately, it is up to you and only you how your music should sound. So there you have it, 4 tips on how to start out making melodies to your lyrics. Remember, the most important part is to have fun and enjoy making music. If you felt like these tips helped you in any way, let me know in the comments, leave a like, and if you want more, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.